Context clues. Be a word detective. Sometimes when you are reading, you will find a word you don't know. What do? Become a word detective. Use context clues. When you come to a word you don't know, look at the words or phrases around the new word. Look at the parts of the word you know. Do you know the root, the suffix, the prefix? These words and phrases and word parts are called context clues. There are different types of context clues: definition, restatement or synonym, contrast or antonym, comparison, or example. Number one, definition. The unknown word is defined using words and phrases you already know. The unknown word is defined using words and phrases you already know. Example: my cousins and I are kin. People who are kin are family. They are related to each other. Number two, restatement or synonym. The author may have used a synonym to restate the word. It may be separated from the rest of the sentence with commas, dashes, or parentheses. Look for key words like sometimes, that is, or in other words. Example: the atomic bomb left behind radiation, a type of poison that made people sick. Number three, contrast or antonym. The author shows how the unfamiliar word is different from or opposite of another word. Look for key words like but, however, although, instead, on the contrary, on the other hand, or not. Example: Mike's parrot was enormous, but Maria's parrot was not as large. Number four, comparison. The author shows how the unfamiliar word is similar to or like something else. Look for keywords like to, like, as, similar to, or the same way. Example: my brother is fascinated by birds, similar to the way that I am interested in dogs. Number five, example. The author gives an example of the unfamiliar word. Look for keywords like for, instance, the same way, such as, and for example. Example: Ashley's mother looked at her sternly, such as the look her teacher gave her when she was talking in class. Let's try together. Many people have started keeping exotic animals as pets. Exotic animals are not like cats and dogs. They are the kind of animals you would usually find in a zoo. Some people keep reptiles, like snakes or lizards. Other people keep small livestock, similar to the kinds of animals farmers keep in their houses. What type of context clues do you see? Exotic animals are not like cats and dogs. They are the kinds of animals you would usually find in a zoo, like snakes or lizards, and similar to kinds of animals farmers keep in their houses. What type of context clues did you find? There is contrast, comparison, example, and definition. Try it on your own. The archaeologist, a person who explores ancient ruins, found some interesting things. One was a room filled with old tombs, like you might find in a library. Most of the pages in the old books are made with parchment, which is different from paper today. What context clues do you see? Look at the underlined words. Questions? Okay, thank you. That is the lesson on context clues. Now answer the following questions or fill in your notes. Thank you.